How to make the right decision in bad times? By Lord Krishna. The topic I will discuss with you today is, no matter how bad the times are, I will tell you about how to make the right decisions in those bad times. At every stage of life, we have to make decisions. At every stage, we have to judge or decide about another stage. And decisions have their own impact. Any decision made today ensures happiness or sorrow in the future. Not only for ourselves, but also for our family and for future generations to come. When any difficulty comes, our mind becomes anxious. Our mind is filled with uncertainty. That time of decision takes the form of a war. And the mind becomes a battlefield or battleground. We make further decisions not to solve problems, but only to calm our minds. But can anyone ever eat while running? No, never. So how can a mind on the battlefield make the right decisions? In reality, when someone makes a decision with a calm mind, they create a happy future for themselves. But when someone makes a decision to calm their mind, that person plants a thorny tree for themselves in the future. You should think about this for yourself. When making decisions, we always base our decisions on someone else's advice and suggestions. And the basis of our future, that is, what our future will be, depends on the decisions we make today. So is our future the result of someone else's path or someone else's advice? And is our future life the result of someone else's wisdom? Have we ever considered this? Everyone feels that in the same situation, different people give different advice. A devotee in a temple says that one should give alms, while a thief on the other hand gives bad advice. A heart full of religion shows the path of religion. And a heart full of unrighteousness gives advice of unrighteousness. Advice or a path given on the path of religion leads a person to the path of happiness. But such advice can be accepted only when there is religion in the heart. In other words, is it not necessary to establish religion in one's own heart before accepting the path shown by someone or the advice given by someone? Judge for yourself. Everyone wants to make decisions today based on the future or thinking about what the future will be like. Everyone wants to make decisions today keeping these things in mind so that happiness can be found in the future, so that the future life is secure. Just look at your own life. Isn't your future being considered in your further decisions? Why shouldn't this happen? Everyone has the right to make their own life simple and happy. But no one knows the future. Only the future can be imagined. That is why we make all the great decisions in life in the darkness of imagination or depending on imagination. Can there be a third way to decide? Yes, there is a third way. The source of all happiness is religion. And that religion resides in the heart of man. That is why before making every decision, one must ask oneself this question in one's heart: is this decision or this decision that I am about to take born of self-interest? Or from religion? Wouldn't that be enough to make a correct decision? Wouldn't the future life be happier if we judged religion instead of the future life? Judge for yourself. If you like it, please share it with your loved ones. Stay well, stay healthy. Greetings, thank you. May God bless you.